Here is our list of the best laptops for programming you can get right now. All the products mentioned in this video are available in the description below. The Apple MacBook Pro M4 stands out as the ultimate laptop for macOS development, offering developers unmatched power, efficiency, and seamless integration within Apple's ecosystem. Available in 14-inch and 16-inch models, it boasts a Liquid Retina XDR display with ProMotion technology, ensuring fluid and vibrant visuals that enhance both coding and creative workflows. Powered by Apple's advanced M4 Pro and M4 Max chips, the MacBook Pro M4 delivers exceptional performance, capable of handling demanding tasks such as compiling large projects, running virtual machines, and managing resource-intensive workloads with remarkable ease. Developers can configure it with up to 48 GB of unified memory, making it an ideal choice for iOS app development, artificial intelligence programming, and complex data analysis, where speed and multitasking capabilities are critical. Beyond performance, the MacBook Pro M4 excels in efficiency with a battery life lasting up to 22 hours on a single charge, allowing professionals to work uninterrupted throughout the day. Its premium build quality, robust yet lightweight design, and silent cooling system provide comfort and durability without compromising performance. More importantly, the device integrates seamlessly with Apple's software and services, enhancing productivity through continuity features across iPhone, iPad, and other Apple devices. By combining cutting-edge hardware with elegant design and ecosystem advantages, the MacBook Pro M4 sets a new standard for professional developers, offering both reliability and power in a compact future-ready machine. The Dell XPS 15 continues to hold its place as the flagship Windows laptop and a top choice for developers, offering a powerful combination of performance, portability, and premium design. Equipped with the latest Intel Core Ultra processors, including i7 and i9 configurations, it delivers strong multitasking capabilities, ideal for modern development environments. For developers working in areas such as machine learning, GPU-accelerated coding, or graphics-intensive workloads, the XPS 15 can be configured with NVIDIA RTX graphics, providing CUDA support that significantly enhances computational performance. Its 15.6-inch display offers multiple configurations, with the standout option being a 3.5K OLED panel that produces sharp text and vibrant colors, making it highly suitable for coding marathons, design work, and content creation. Beyond performance and visuals, the Dell XPS 15 maintains a reputation for comfort and durability, featuring a precise and responsive keyboard that enhances productivity and reduces strain during extended use. Its sleek and robust build ensures it stands out as one of the best-designed laptops in its category, while still remaining portable enough for developers on the go. By balancing cutting-edge hardware with thoughtful design and strong usability, the Dell XPS 15 appeals to professionals seeking a Windows laptop that delivers both power and style. It is this combination of versatility, speed, and premium craftsmanship that makes the Dell XPS 15 the go-to option for developers who demand reliability and efficiency in their daily workflows. The Asus ROG Zephyrus G14 stands out as a powerful and versatile laptop that successfully bridges the gap between gaming and development, making it an excellent choice for professionals who demand performance and flexibility. Equipped with either AMD Ryzen 9 or Intel Core Ultra CPUs, paired with NVIDIA RTX 4070 graphics, it delivers outstanding computing power, tailored for developers working in AI, GPU-accelerated programming, or game development. This combination ensures smooth handling of complex workloads while also supporting high-performance gaming, offering users the best of both worlds. Its compact 14-inch QHD+ display runs at 120 Hz, providing sharp text, vibrant visuals, and fluid motion, making it equally suitable for long coding sessions, design tasks, or entertainment. Despite its small footprint, the Zephyrus G14 maintains impressive portability without compromising on performance, backed by efficient thermals and excellent battery life that allow productivity and creativity to continue uninterrupted. The laptop's thoughtful design balances lightweight mobility with strong hardware capabilities, making it especially appealing for developers who value both power and convenience in a compact device. For those who code by day and game by night, or for professionals requiring dedicated GPU performance for advanced development work, the Asus ROG Zephyrus G14 emerges as a reliable and all-around performer. By merging portability, versatility, and cutting-edge hardware, it redefines what a development and gaming laptop can achieve. the Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Carbon Gen 12 cements its reputation as a classic choice for programmers, particularly admired for delivering one of the best typing experiences in the industry. Staying true to the ThinkPad legacy, it features a legendary keyboard that is exceptionally comfortable and precise, making it an ideal companion for long coding sessions. Equipped with a 14-inch OLED display, the laptop combines vibrant visuals with portability, all powered by Intel's Core Ultra processors, which ensure smooth performance across both everyday development tools and demanding workloads. Its lightweight carbon fiber chassis offers excellent portability while maintaining durability, making it suitable for professionals who travel frequently or work in varied environments. Beyond hardware, the ThinkPad X1 Carbon Gen 12 shines in its software compatibility, offering seamless support for Linux, which remains a popular choice among many developers. Security is another standout aspect, as the device integrates enterprise-level protection features, giving professionals peace of mind when working with sensitive projects. Additionally, its advanced cooling system ensures consistent performance under heavy usage, while the long-lasting battery allows uninterrupted productivity throughout the day. By balancing portability, durability, performance, and comfort, the Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Carbon Gen 12 appeals strongly to developers who prioritize reliability, typing comfort, and flexibility in their workflow. It continues to embody the perfect mix of tradition and modern innovation, making it a go-to laptop for professionals who demand consistency and efficiency. The Apple MacBook Air M4 emerges as the best all-around laptop for programmers, delivering a seamless balance of performance, portability, and value. Powered by Apple's latest M4 chip, it offers exceptional speed and efficiency while maintaining an incredibly thin and lightweight design, making it perfect for students, traveling developers, or anyone who codes on the go. Its energy efficiency allows for up to 18 hours of battery life, ensuring uninterrupted productivity throughout the day without frequent charging. The sharp and bright Retina display enhances readability and visual clarity, while the fanless design ensures silent operation, creating a distraction-free environment during extended coding sessions. Despite its slim profile, the MacBook Air M4 easily handles a wide range of programming tasks, from Python, Java, and C++ to app development, proving that performance does not require bulk. As one of the most affordable devices in Apple's lineup, it serves as a highly accessible entry point for programmers who want reliable performance without investing in the higher-priced MacBook Pro models. The combination of silent efficiency, portability, and strong coding capabilities makes it particularly appealing to beginners and professionals alike. By offering a blend of affordability, sleek design, and robust power, the MacBook Air M4 stands out as an ideal solution for those seeking a dependable and versatile laptop. It establishes itself as the top choice for coders who prioritize mobility, value, and efficiency in their workflow.